How to watch Naruto Shippuden in English. Hey, what's up anime fans? Welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of Naruto or just getting into the Naruto universe, you're probably wondering how you can watch the Naruto Shippuden in. So in today's video, we will be showing you exactly how you can stream the legendary ninja anime in English with both dubbed and subbed versions available. So let's just get started and get into the video. So the best and the most legal way to watch Naruto Shippuden in English through is official stream platforms such as Crunchyroll, Hulu, or Funimation. So these are the platforms that offer both English dubbed and subbed versions of the anime, so you can choose whatever you prefer. And after that, what you can do is simply head over in search after you have successfully reached over to the preferred browser and head over to that channel. So basically, if you're in Crunchyroll has a huge collection of Naruto Shippuden. But here's the thing: is that you need to get this. You need to get a premium subscription in order to watch the Naruto Shippuden in a dubbed version. The soft version is very free, but if you want to watch the English dub version, you need a premium subscription. But other streaming sites such as Hulu, for example, you can watch Naruto Shippuden with English without any payment. And that is it. Now you exactly know where to watch the Naruto Shippuden in English. Whether you prefer dubbed or soft, you've got plenty of options to choose from. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. And let me know in the comments below what's your favorite Naruto arc. And and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.